How to fast forward Reels on Instagram. First is to launch the Instagram application. On the bottom, you will notice 5 icons. Select the Reels icon, which is beside your profile icon. So it is important to note that not every video contains this feature, as there are videos that runs less than 15 seconds while others runs for more than 30 seconds. So the longer the video, the higher the possibility that it can perform the fast forward feature. So as you can see in this video, you will see a bar moving below, which indicates that this video can be fast forwarded. So to fast forward, just hold the end of the bar below and slide to your right. And so that is how you fast forward Reels on Instagram. Thank you and have a great day.